Well, moving on to other news now, in 10 days from today, countries across the globe will be observing the International Day of People with Disability. There will be talk of dignity and rights of those who are differently abled. But on the ground in India, how tough is life for those with disabilities? NDTV's Alok Pandey trailed a group of differently abled children at the railway station at the capital to do a reality check, and take a look at what he found.
On the 3rd of December, across the world, the International Day for People with Disabilities will be celebrated. We are right now at the New Delhi railway station, tracking a group of people who had come here from Guwahati to perform in a play. These people have managed to get into a lift. There's a functioning lift here at the New Delhi railway station. They've managed to get to the waiting rooms here. The challenge for them, of course, is now to get to their respective platforms and to actually board their train. We managed to get these children to their waiting rooms, as I said, with not too much difficulty. But here's where the problem is starting now. Now look at this. Their train, the children's train, is supposed to leave at 1:30 a.m. Yet, about an hour or so before that, the lifts have stopped working. We are going to go with him to the station superintendent and try and get and see if we can get those lifts to be operational.
वेटिंग रूम तो ऊपर है।
हाँ ऊपर ही है।
हाँ, तो
लिफ्ट से तो उठा दिया हम लोग को।
हाँ।
तब लिफ्ट चालू था।
हाँ।
अभी बंद हो गया लिफ्ट।
अब तो इस वक्त तो बंद हो जाता है क्या? हेलो। हाँ ये डिप्टी एसएस बोल रहा हूँ। अच्छा ये लिफ्ट चालू नहीं हो सकती है क्या? 10-15 बच्चे हैं हैंडीकैप्ड एक्चुअली। उतारना है उनको।
We are actually happy to report to you that after we went to the deputy station superintendent, he actually made a phone call and got the lifts opened up for these people, which meant that they could come down. But I think the question that we need to ask is, why shouldn't everyone have 24-hour lift access?
हमारे लिए शायद गवर्नमेंट सोचना बंद कर चुकी है और कुछ करना चाहिए.
I just think it is absolutely shocking that this is the only way that people can get to a platform. Why can't there be an elevator? Why can't there be an escalator? Why can't there be lifts? I mean, these are basic questions. This is the New Delhi railway station. This is the capital of the country. These people are finally now going to board their Purvottar Sampark Kranti Express, which will take them to Guwahati in the next 30 to 40 hours. Now, it's not going to be an easy journey for them. Over the next 30 hours, they'll have to spend their time in a coach that is not disabled friendly. There are no ramps here, as you can see. So these people have to be physically lifted into the train. After that, the toilets inside are not disabled friendly. The coaches, the seats are not disabled friendly, which then means that it's going to be another very trying time for these people. Really things that the railways needs to ponder over, things that need to change immediately so that these people can have a better time. At least they don't have to struggle so much just to board a train. At the New Delhi railway station, with camera person Sudhish Ram, Alok Pandey, NDTV.
India's #1 news app just got even better. Download NDTV's new app. Fully optimized for retina display. Full screen view. Faster response time. And Sudoku. NDTV's new iPad app. Download now.